Hello, grade 10. So we're now going to start the next part of our unit, which is called circle theorems. So if you go to page 14 of your packet, then you will see that there are a number of properties that hold within a circle. And we're going to see what these are one by one, okay? So the first one, as you can see, is called angle in a semicircle, and this is what we have right here. We have a semicircle, and always whenever you see an O, then that means that it's the center of the circle. And so what that means is that this right here is the diameter. I'm going to be using a program called Autograph. I believe you used it in 9th grade. And the files that I'll be using are actually on It's Learning. Yeah, so if you just go to the class materials, all of these are Autograph. You just have to open Autograph first, but feel free to experiment with them. It will settle better. So here I have a semicircle, and as you can see, the property is such that when you form an angle that is subtended by the arc, so held by the arc, then can you see that this is always 90 degrees? So that's our first property. It's pretty straightforward. So the triangle that's formed by an angle on the arc and the diameter will always be 90 degrees. So if you just go to your packet, the next page, then here in the remember, you can just go ahead and just write in any angle that's inscribed in a semicircle will always be 90 degrees. So that means that we can now answer a number of these questions. For example, you see all of these are rather similar. So this right here, this A, then you can right away write, oh, A will be 90. Same with B. Same with C, but what's important is that this is not just any chord, but it does go through the center. It's the diameter. Slightly trickier, though not really. Now they're just asking you for the other angle, so you can see that this here is 90 degrees. That will mean that these will be 90 degrees. So your angle D there will be 90 minus 57, which will make it 33 degrees. Okay, so you go ahead and practice the other ones. I did just want to quickly touch on this one. So here's our 90-degree angle, and we now know we're asked to determine x, and we know that x plus 10 plus 3x is going to be 90 degrees. That means that 4x is going to be, if I take the 10 over, that's going to be 80 degrees, and so x in this case will be 20. And of course you can always check if that works indeed. If x is 20, this angle is 60 and this angle is 30, and there all together we do have 180 degrees. Okay, so there's your first property. Go ahead and complete the other exercises for it.